Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products variants in the Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, open your Shopify store. Once you are in, you have to go on the products and select that product. Here you have to add the title and also add the description. Now you have to scroll down. Here is the option variants. In which you have size, color, material and the size. In color you have to add the colors. Like I am adding size, you have to add the size small, medium or large, etc. And click on the done. Now you have to go on the add another option. Repeat the same process. And click on the done. And here is all the variants is added. Now you have to save it. So yeah, this is how you can add products variant in the Shopify store.